Amazing lead magnet ideas that will convert your visitors in 2022. Free ebook or guide. Offer a free ebook or guide on a topic related to your business. This can be a great way to provide valuable information to your visitors and encourage them to sign up for your email list. Discount or coupon code. Offer a discount or coupon code to visitors who sign up for your email list. This can be a great incentive for people to give you their contact information. Free trial or demo. Offer a free trial or demo of your product or service to visitors who sign up for your email list. This can be a great way to showcase the value of your offering and convince people to take the next step. Exclusive content or access. Offer exclusive content or access to resources to visitors who sign up for your email list. This can be a great way to provide value and create a sense of exclusivity for your email subscribers. Free consultation or evaluation. Offer a free consultation or evaluation to visitors who sign up for your email list. This can be a great way to provide personalized advice and guidance to your potential customers. Free checklist or template. Offer a free checklist or template that your audience can use to solve a common problem or achieve a specific goal. This can be a great way to provide value and make it easy for people to take action. Free quiz or survey. Offer a free quiz or survey that your audience can take to learn more about themselves or their interests. This can be a great way to engage with your audience and collect valuable data. Free sample or trial. Offer a free sample or trial of your product or service to visitors who sign up for your email list. This can be a great way to let people experience the value of your offering before they make a purchase. Free contest or giveaway. Offer a free contest or giveaway to visitors who sign up for your email list. This can be a great way to create excitement and generate buzz around your business.